This is called biomimicry. For instance, the first high-speed rail in the world, the Shinkansen running since 1964, was also inspired by nature. When the train was getting out of the tunnel at the speed of 185 miles per hour, it produced a sonic boom. That noise woke up people in nearby cities and scared wild animals. A group of engineers was working to solve this issue. One of them, who was also a bird watcher, suggested making the train more like a kingfisher. That bird has a long, pointed beak that helps it dive in the water with almost no splashes when it's hunting. They reshaped the front of the train, giving it a sort of beak, and solved the noise problem.